Welcome to Airplane Alchemy, where forgotten machines and hidden legends come back to life. From bush planes to aviation oddities, this is where wings meet wizardry. This is Airplane Alchemy, Zenith 750 Super Duty. Some airplanes chase elegance, some chase speed. The 750 Super Duty was built to work. High wing, fixed gear, massive flaps. A wide stance and oversized tires that look ready for rough ground before the engine even starts. Designed by Zenith Aircraft Company, the Super Duty is the heavy-hauling evolution of the proven CH-750 STOL lineage. The airframe is reinforced, the gross weight is higher, engine options push well beyond basic trainer territory. This is the utility truck of the kit plane world. All-metal construction, pulled rivets, straightforward systems, no hidden structural mysteries. Zenith even promotes the idea that if you can build furniture, you can build this airplane. And surprisingly, that's not just marketing. The match-drilled parts, pre-formed components, and highly detailed step-by-step instructions have made this one of the most approachable STOL kits available. The clarity of the build process has been demonstrated publicly by multiple first-time builders, including the Wearworthy YouTube channel, where the project genuinely looks achievable rather than intimidating. That accessibility isn't an accident, it's philosophy. Zenith has long believed aircraft building shouldn't require a machine shop or decades of sheet metal experience. The Super Duty continues that tradition, honest, mechanical, and refreshingly practical. But practicality doesn't mean compromise. In the backcountry world, durability beats polish. Short field performance is the mission. The Super Duty leans fully into that identity. It's not trying to blur the line between bush plane and cross-country cruiser. It chooses a side. Cruise speed isn't the headline here. That's the price of serious STOL performance. But the Super Duty offers full experimental freedom, from power plant choices to modern avionics and tailored mission setups. You can build it light and simple. You can build it rugged and utility-focused. You can build it to explore. No certification box, no unnecessary complexity, just capability. It's not trying to be sleek. It's not pretending to be luxury. It exists to get the job done. And in today's aviation world, that kind of honesty feels rare. The Zenith 750 Super Duty, where simplicity, strength, and short field performance meet. Thanks for watching Airplane Alchemy, where forgotten aircraft and aviation legends come back to life. If you enjoyed this look at one of the most practical STOL machines in experimental aviation, hit like, subscribe, and share to help the channel climb higher. Have an aircraft you'd like to see next? Drop it in the comments. Your idea just might take flight. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.